In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix e-commerce site. Whether you're starting a small boutique or launching a full-scale online store, Wix provides a versatile platform to bring your e-commerce vision to life with ease. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to select a template specifically designed for e-commerce. Wix offers a wide range of templates tailored for online stores, making it easy to find one that suits your brand's personality and meets your business goals. By choosing an e-commerce template, you'll automatically have key features like product galleries, a shopping cart, and checkout options integrated into your site, saving you time and effort down the road. When browsing through these templates, keep in mind the overall look and feel you want your website to convey. Think about your brand's color scheme, the type of products you are selling, and your target audience. A good fit between your template and your brand will make your e-commerce site not only functional, but also visually appealing and memorable. Once you've chosen the perfect template, it's time to start customizing it to fit your store. Wix's intuitive drag-and-drop editor allows you to easily modify your template. You can start by replacing the generic text and images with your own branding, such as your logo, product photos, and company information. Take advantage of this opportunity to infuse your unique brand voice throughout your site to create a consistent and strong identity. Next, pay close attention to the product gallery section. This is where you will display your products, and it's a crucial spot to capture your customers' attention. Ensure that your photos are high quality and your product descriptions are detailed yet concise. Providing all the necessary information helps potential buyers make informed decisions, thus enhancing their shopping experience. As we move on, ensure the shopping cart and checkout processes are seamless. A simple and straightforward process can make all the difference in reducing cart abandonment. Test your checkout process thoroughly, making sure every step functions smoothly and intuitively. It's vital to have multiple payment options available to accommodate all customers' preferences, so consider integrating a variety of payment gateways. Remember, the user experience must be fluid and enjoyable. This not only helps in retaining customers, but can also drive repeat purchases and positive word-of-mouth marketing. Lastly, once everything looks good and is functioning correctly, preview your site. Check both desktop and mobile versions to ensure it's fully responsive. Mobile friendliness is not just a convenience, but a necessity in today's digital age. More and more customers are shopping on their mobile devices, and a well-optimized site will significantly enhance your reach. With your Wix e-commerce site now ready, you're all set to publish and share it with the world. I hope you found these steps clear and helpful. Happy selling! And remember, a great online store begins with careful planning and execution.